In Feng Shui, we believe the arrangement of your bed significantly affects the harmony of your home. Today, we will discuss 6 tips for furniture arrangement for your bedroom to harness good Feng Shui energy during your sleep. By adhering to these simple Feng Shui guidelines, you can achieve more rejuvenating night's sleep and better energy flow for your home. But before we continue, please like and subscribe if you find Feng Shui interior information like this useful. First, position your bed at the command position. There is a concept of a command position in Feng Shui. A command position is a position with a clear and plain view of the space you occupy, especially the door where different energy from various people come and go. Taking a command position gives the person a position of power and control over the space. Upon entering a room, the command position is typically the diagonal area that faces that entrance. From this vantage point, you have a clear and exact view of the doors, window, and everyone who will come and go to that specific space, but you are not directly in front of the door and exposed to everyone. In an office setting, this is also the place you will typically find the desk of the most senior person in the room. This same principle applies to the bedroom as well. This means placing the bed in a manner that allows you to see the bedroom door from your lying position without being directly aligned with it. A general guideline for effective bedroom Feng Shui is to position the bed diagonally across from the door. However, due to space constraints or the layout of your bedroom, achieving this ideal arrangement may not always be feasible. If this is the case for you, there is still a solution. You can strategically place a mirror to reflect the view of the door from your bed. A freestanding mirror is easy to place and to adjust to the correct angle. But make sure the mirror is not so large as to overpower the energy of the person occupying the room or reflects right back at the bed. Second, avoid direct alignment with doors. In addition to taking the command position, it's essential to consider the bed's placement in relation to bedroom doors. Avoid situations where doors open directly onto the bed or where your feet point directly towards a door. Aligning your bed directly with the door is considered highly unfavorable in Feng Shui teachings. Feng Shui practitioners often refer to this arrangement as the dead man's position or the coffin position, likening it to the orientation of carrying a deceased individual through open doors from the household. Energy flows into rooms through both doors and windows. Positioning your bed directly in line with the door exposes you to the full force of these energies entering the bedroom. Ideally, reorienting your bed so as to avoid being aligned with the door would be the best. But if this is not possible due to the size of the room or the bed, one solution is to add a footboard to your bed to enhance your sense of protection. However, a footboard might not always be the most suitable option in this situation. If that's the case, you can also try other alternatives, such as creating a protective barrier by placing a small chest filled with blankets at the foot of your bed so as to block the bed. 3. Ensure your headboard rests against a sturdy wall. Headboards are an essential element in bedroom Feng Shui. They symbolize strength and stability in life, especially in romantic relationships. There should be no perforations in the headboard, so ideally a solid wood or an upholstered headboard is preferable to a metal frame one for a couple's bedroom. It would be best to securely fasten the headboard to the bed to enjoy the most support and strength. It's advisable to avoid placing the head of the bed against windows whenever feasible. This is because the energy entering through the window will disrupt sleep. When you find yourself in a situation where the bed must go in front of a window, make sure you have a solid thick curtain drawn when you sleep so as to lessen the effect of the window. 4. Position the bed away from toilet walls. This is because of the toilet is considered to be the place where your energy drains out. If you have a bed on one side of the wall and directly on the other side of the toilet bowl, the position can create confusion, lead to headaches, and cause loss of concentration. In a similar vein, if you have a downstairs toilet, be careful not to position a bed directly above it. 5. Ensure adequate space surrounds the bed. For optimal comfort and balance, it's advisable for adults to have open space on both sides of the bed, ideally at least 18 inches on each side if the bedroom's dimensions permit. As I mentioned in relation to dining table in my kitchen Feng Shui video, there needs to be some space for the energy to flow around the bed. Having space on both sides facilitates a harmonious balance of yin and yang energies, while also providing ample room for each person's using the bed. But for children, it's acceptable to have a bed against a wall to provide them with added support. 6. Avoid placing bed under beams, slopped ceilings, and other complex architectural elements. To optimize Feng Shui placement, ensure that the area above your bed is free from overhead beams, slopped ceilings, or complex architectural elements, because these can create undue pressure onto the bed underneath. If the beam cuts across your body, this can also make you ill. If these features are unavoidable due to the design of the house, consider draping fabric to conceal them or painting them the same color as the ceiling to blend them in, thereby reducing the sense of oppression. So today, we looked at 6 points to consider when placing your bed in the bedroom. Here's a quick overview. First, place your bed in a commanding position. Second, avoid placing bed directly in line with the door. Third, have a solid wall behind your headboard. Fourth, avoid placing your bed on the other side of a toilet wall. 5. Have space open on both sides of the bed for the adults in the home. 6. Avoid complex architectural elements above the bed. Keep these 6 simple rules in mind when designing your bedroom. Even if you can't change the architecture of the room, there are simple fixes you can do to better utilize the room you have. Please like this video if you find Feng Shui interior information like this useful. And please subscribe to receive regular Feng Shui tips. It really helps small channel like us. We wish your home a happy and prosperous energy flow.